warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Gary, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 9:30 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., a line of strong thunderstorms located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles south of Winthrop Harbor to 32 nautical miles south of Pleasant to Prairie to 48 nautical miles southwest of Kenosha, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.